this. Well, Noel, let's see how you eat some pita bread.
Yep. I just put some marshmallow fluff. Oh, a little too much there.
That's too much? Oh, okay. I'm feeling you. Yeah, I got you.
Alright, yeah.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah. How about you?
Well, I'll show you how I eat my pita bread. First, what you get? Oh, yeah, you get a lot of that. Get all.
Is that a little too much there?
No. Oh, that's right. Gotta put inside.
Oh. Dude, that's a lot.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna taste good. Then, Then what I like to do, just gotta get some baba ganoush.
The fuck is that?
Just take it, just dip it right in. Yeah. Then what I like to do, I like to take some Girl Scouts Trefoil's old-fashioned shortbread. Just like crumble it on there like that.
You're getting nastier.
Just like that. Just like that. Then, what I like to do, get some corn checks. Just crumble it right on there. Yeah, that's good. It's good. Then, what you do, you gotta Ghirardelli squares, chocolate. Ah, yeah, this one is 60% cocoa, dark chocolate with caramel in the middle. Yeah, just break it. Oh yeah, get that caramel. Oh yeah, that looks good.
Dude, you're so nasty.
Delicious.
Ew.
Okay. Then, what I like to do, just take some Trident Vitality Invigorate, a burst of citrus and strawberry with vitamin C. Some gum here. Yeah, looks pretty good. Just right there. Just right there.
That is, dude, you are being nasty now.
And to finish it off, a krill oil omega-3. And yeah. You want to eat yours with me? Yeah, come on.
Dude, you are. I can't even eat it. You are being so freaking nasty.
Yeah, it's so good.